Hey guys, what's up? First of all, a big thank you for clicking onto the video. Now, this is the very first video of the channel. In fact, this is an introduction or what you call a trailer of what the channel is about. Now, it would be really unfair for you guys to ask to like or subscribe the channel on the very first day. So, don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to do that. At least not for today. But in the forthcoming days, if you find the channel interesting or if you're looking for more such videos, then don't hesitate to do that. Okay, now you might be wondering, what have I come to talk about? Basically, this is a cookery channel, and for all the foodies out there, presenting you the channel Food, Flavors, Fondness. And the main reason why I'm here or why this channel is to serve you guys digitally with good quality food and better outcomes. Let me make something clear. Now, this is the very beginning of the channel, so we've started with minimum available sources. But what has brought us here is our passion for food and cooking. And if you guys keep supporting us and help us grow, take this as a promise, we'll never let you down. The upcoming videos would be some really delicious, appetizing and yummalicious recipes that would help you with your cooking skills. Now, I hope you guys could gather some essence of what the channel is about. And all I expect from you guys is to just stay tuned. And any suggestions or guidance from you guys are heartily welcomed. Till then, keep cooking, keep spreading love. Bye-bye.